Just back here. Just pumped up. I'll just switch that off. Just pumped up my tyres on my Nissan Patrol. Just going around, and I'm running 40 in the front and 35 in the rear. I don't know if that's too much. It's over. Well, it's not overinflated by the reference on the side of the tyre, but it's my little TJM compressor there. And just finished pumping this up, and let's have a quick look at these. I've done the others. Probably need to get that around the right way, don't I? Oh, get on there. Just have to. We got there a little bit over 40. I'll let a little bit of that out and see what happens there. Yeah, that's bang on 40 there now. So yeah, so we'll just see how that goes, see what it drives like. And it's good having these little compressors, are just handy, just to set your own tyre pressures and experiment without having to pull up at the servo. Have your own gauges because they're accurate. And I've got these, what are they? Bridgestone Dueler AT. Now these seem like not a bad tyre. I like to stick to the more well-known brands of tyres because I just think they give you a better run. My brother's done that. I've done a lot more four-wheel drive than I've ever done. But yeah, they always stick to their brand of tyres. But I'm a bit of a Bridgestone and Dunlop fan. Dunlop on the dirt bikes and Bridgestones on my vehicles, on the cars. So that's what I'll stick to. And I'll just see how this drives, and I'll play with the tyre pressures. But like I said, it's just good to have your little compressor to do your own thing. And this one seems like a good little one. I've had it a couple of years. Haven't overly used it much, but it's nice and dependable. It works when I use it. So it's TJM brand. And it's nice and heavily made. I think it's made in China. It's quite high quality. Swanamic out.